Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet. Okay, so for this example, we're going to be using a Phantom wallet. So first up, you're going to want to open up your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to your assets, of course. Tap on assets. Now, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to send. Okay, tap on send and make sure that you tap on-chain withdraw. Okay, so tap on it, select the token that you have, okay, in your account. So in here, what we're going to do is just select USDT, tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, it needs an address. So to find the address, we would need to open up the other crypto wallet. Okay, it could be MetaMask, or Phantom wallet, or even BitGet. Okay, depends on you. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and open a Phantom wallet. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now in here, what we'll do in our other wallet, okay, is to tap on receive, since we are going to receive from Binance. Okay, so go ahead and find the token right here. Okay, let's say Ethereum. Copy Ethereum. Now go ahead and go back in here, tap and hold, paste, select the network, Ethereum. And then once that's done, enter the withdrawal amount. If you're skeptical, go ahead and start with a lower number, or maybe 10 as the minimum right here. Tap on withdraw. And after that, follow simple prompts. Then in no time, you'll have your USDT from Binance to the other wallet. Okay? And that is it. If it goes through, well, you can go ahead and add in more amounts right here. That is how you send USDT from Binance to another wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.